He does high five. Tell him to give you high five. Kayla, yeah. Give him $1. He won't. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I grew a Siberian Husky. I thought I was growing blueberries.
Oh my God. What is he doing? Oh my God.
Look at him.
Ow!
Want to keep going? No? Okay, truce. Ah!
I took a video where I was training Pebbles to jump on my chest, and she started smelling my belly button. But I watched it back and noticed she made... What's wrong with my belly button?
Bear! Bear, no! Leo, no! Oh my God, I don't know what to do. Bear! Bear! I was just cleaning your litter box! No, 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 no! God.
I wonder if he does it to the other side. My mom was cutting onions and the kid is sitting there like crying. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't even...
Софочка, скажи а-а-а. А теперь ур-ур-а-а. Софик, скажи уа-а-а.
It's over, Frank. You're going down. I gotta put you down, bud. You're rabid.
Oh shit!
Y que a mi niño lo quiero yo y el que no lo quiera le da un dolor. Y que a mi niño lo quiero yo.
know.
Okay, he's like a 10, but his eyebrows are just like little dots on his head.
Wop.
Cheeseburger, you're sitting in a very cute pose, as always. But can you do the splits?
Sit.